Tea Prepper here, and I wanted to show you the results here of the Whirlpool tub installation. And I got the tile in, and what we did is we used a thin set mortar as a base, and use a 1/4-inch notch trowel, and just spread that on. I had cardboard down here to protect the tub. I put it over it, and so it's kind of an acrobatic routine trying to keep above the cardboard and keep the mud from getting on the tub. But you know, with a little work you can do it. Probably been easier to put some paper and tape around there and put a plastic or something in there. Probably been a little easier. And if I do this again on the other bathroom, I'll probably put something like that down. But anyway, this is final results, and you can see a nice design decorative tile there. What we got left now is the grout, but basically I got a tile saw that I used, and a little cheapy one for about $100. I got a lot more expensive ones, but the cheap one worked for me, and it's easy to clean up, and I don't worry about it too much, and so it works good for what I do. And got our cubby holes here left to do. These are for setting stuff in, and we're going to look for a little bit different way to finish it than what we'd originally thought. We thought this looks so nice, and the other stuff, they have like a little plastic trim you can put on there, and we decided we didn't like that. And there's a tile with a rounded edge that goes over that fits real good, and we're going to look to see if we can find some of that in white and finish off the inside edges with that. So, but anyway, coming along real nice, and all I'll have left to do after it gets grouted is to put on the fixtures, and then we'll be able to take a bath. So use this for a shower. So this is the last thing to do in this bathroom, was to get this ready. And you can see here I got a little bit of plaster work here with sheetrock and plaster. So I'll do that once I get everything done over here and just grouted. And we did put a nice little plastic trim here to cover the edge of the tile, and you can see right there, that's just a nice little finish edge, and then the sheetrock will go right up against that, and it should make a nice finish there. So anyway, sorry I didn't show this actually being constructed, but I was only up here for a day and didn't have time to do much videotaping, so I was kind of under the gun to get this done. I still got a 6-hour drive ahead of me tonight, and it's already almost 9 o'clock at night, so I'll be up pretty late and getting back down to pre-tiny tea. So anyway, y'all take care and have a good day. Talk to y'all later.